Did you try everything? Every form of exercise, every fad diet, this diet, that diet, but still you are struggling to lose the weight. Did you ever wonder that maybe there should be some root issues which is not getting addressed and that is one of the reasons for not losing the weight? This reason can be your liver health. Yes, I'm talking right. This is all about your liver. Listen to this video till the end and you will understand why you're struggling to lose your weight. Hi everyone, my name is Prakshal Dalal. I am a certified nutritionist and a wellness coach and have been helping hundreds of people in getting back their health and their shape. This is a very important topic and something sometimes we are not aware about what is happening inside our body. We are not aware what our organ is struggling with. Share with more and more people so that you can spread this knowledge and make people educated around you. A sluggish liver can cause non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which results into excess weight accumulation around the liver. This can lead to a lot of issues like insulin resistance, fat accumulation, especially around your belly area, and weight gain. Let's understand what does the liver do for us? Why is it called such an important organ in our body? Function of liver is to convert the food into energy and storing the excess energy as glycogen inside. A compromised liver or sluggish liver can interrupt with this very basic function of liver. As a result, low energy and fat gain is very common issues which indicates the liver is not working properly. Your liver is also connected to your thyroid health, basically balancing your inactive versus active thyroid. So what the liver does is it converts the inactive thyroid, that is your T4, into active thyroid, which is your T3. So if the liver is sluggish or fatty, this action is impaired. When as a result, you can have your hypothyroidism, which can lead to cold intolerance, your fat deposition, low metabolism, low energy, hair fall, and all about thyroid imbalances related issues in the body. Another two major functions of liver is, one is your hormonal balance and second is your digestive related digestion support. So liver clears and metabolizes excess hormones from our body like estrogen, androgens, and cortisol. During the unhealthy liver stage, these basic functions are also compromised and it can lead to further burden on the liver, as well as it can lead to a lot of hormonal imbalances issues as discussed before. The liver produces bile, which is very important to absorb which is very important for the digestion process and the absorption of fat. If these basic functions are impaired due to the improper health of your liver, eventually the fat deposition and other health issues are very normal in one's body. How will you know your liver is inflamed? One way is through your SGPT and SGOT test. If the report says that these two enzymes are on the elevated side, that means your liver is not working healthily. There are some balances happening with the liver health. Once in 6 months or 1 year, please make sure that your liver profile test or liver function test is also taken care and you are making sure that you are having the note of all the parameters related to your liver health. बट नाउ द क्वेश्चन कम्स कि यस प्रक्षाल वी अंडरस्टूड कि क्या क्या हेल्थ चैलेंजेस हैं जो कि हमें लिवर इम्बैलेंस के कारण या लिवर हेल्थ कॉम्प्रोमाइज होने के कारण हो सकती है. बट आवर क्वेश्चन इज, डू वी हैव एनी सोल्यूशन टू दिस? सो ऑफकोर्स येस, देयर इज अ सोल्यूशन. जो चीज़ें हमारी लाइफस्टाइल के कारण बिगड़ी है वही चीज़ें हमें लाइफस्टाइल वापस से सही करने पे डेफिनेटली मिलेगी. सो नाउ स्मार्ट मूव्स विच यू कैन डू टू गेट बैक योर बेटर लिवर हेल्थ. वन इज coming into the low carb diet. Low carb matlab not zero carb but your smart carbs. Needless to say, your complex carbs should be part of your diet for sure. Don't be a protein deficit. When I'm talking about maintaining your diet again, please make sure that you are eating right amount of protein in every single meal. I'm not going to talk more on that. Why? Because it is very personalized as per your lifestyle, as per your activity level, as per your height and weight. So if you want to know more details, you can drop me the message and I'll be helping you to tell you that how much is required for yourself. So include good fats, don't be good fat deficit and don't be protein deficit. Definitely carbs is something you have to control and you have to be smart enough to pick the right carbs for you. Not every carb is bad, but smart carb is very important. Second is movement, exercising every single day. At least 3 days a week, go for strength training, include cardio. Avoid all refined sugars and junk foods, especially the packaged foods and processed foods. Manage your stress level. Do meditation at least for 10 to 15 minutes every single day. No refined oils. Go for the cold press oils or cold press coconut oil, cold press olive oil and ghee. but in a very limited quantity, not very high. Opt for good healthy fats. Don't go for refined oils for sure. I am telling you once again. If you have a habit of smoking or drinking, for some time you have to quit it, because that's a direct havoc to your liver health. Stop alcohol, stop smoking. When I'm talking about drinking, it's not just alcohol. It means all kind of sugary drinks, beer, wine, alcohol, whatever comes in this category. It's about quit drinking. Sleep well, sleep at least for 7 to 8 hours, a peaceful sleep, a gadget free sleep. Believe me, if you can change a bit in your lifestyle, you can get back your health and you can permanently solve the main reason of your weight gain. Hope this video helped. Share it with more and more people. Do like, comment, and share. Tell me which one tip you would like to introduce, which you are not following, and you will start doing it from now, not tomorrow, no, now.